Yeah.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Right here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What is that? What is that? What are you looking for?
This.
Is it cool? Get on there. You like it?
It's like in a queen bed. It is. It's like in a queen bed.
It is a light and queen bed.
Cheese.
See, Daddy's filming you. You say thank you, Auntie Anna? Auntie Anna got that for you. You like it?
It's a race car bed.
It is. You want to get on there?
Yeah.
Take your shoes off?
Do you like it?
I do.
You do.
It is, I do.
You do. You want to lay on there?
What's this? What's this do?
The car.
That's lightning.
It's little.
Is your bed big?
This bed is big.
It is big.
You got your own big boy bed.
You like it?
Yeah. It was this.
It's for your baby brother.
Oh. What's this?
His toys. You gonna share your room with your baby brother?
Mhm. What's that star?
Watch.
Huh? Wow. You like to go over the bed like that?
Mm-hmm. You tell Aunt Leanna thank you?
Thank you, Auntie Anna. Just turn it off.
Okay. Tell everybody bye.
Huh?
Tell everybody bye.
Bye.